Learn to be a graphic designer. Hello there, I'm David, your guide through the dynamic world of graphic design. Have you ever wondered who makes those cool ads you see online or the sleek designs on your favorite websites? Well, that's what I do. I'm a graphic designer. Being a graphic designer is all about communicating ideas visually. It's about turning a concept into a graphic that speaks to people, whether it's for a brand, an event, or even a personal project. To gear up for this creative career, you'll need a solid grasp of design fundamentals and proficiency in design tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Think of it as your toolkit for bringing visuals to life. I started my journey with online courses and lots of practice. Joining design communities and seeking feedback were also crucial steps. Imagine having a group of friends who always push you to level up your skills. If you're keen on making a splash in graphic design, begin by crafting a portfolio. This is your visual resume that showcases your best work. Share it on social media, at school, or in community art spaces. Curious about the pocket money aspect? Well, earnings in graphic design can vary. Some designers work for agencies or companies and earn a steady salary, while freelancers might charge per project or hour. As you gain experience, your earning potential grows too. Graphic design is more than just a job. It's a way to make your creative mark on the world. If you're passionate about visual storytelling and love solving design puzzles, this could be the perfect path for you. Ready to start your design adventure? Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this glimpse into graphic design, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Until next time, keep designing.